Now, after 5 days of a marathon hearing and after listening to all the sides, the Pakistan Supreme Court has finally taken the much-awaited decision. The 5-judge Supreme Court bench has given a unanimous verdict overruling the Deputy Speaker's April 3rd ruling that rejected the no-confidence motion against Imran Khan and also the President's ruling on dissolution of the assemblies. The opposition hailed the Supreme Court verdict, with the leader of the opposition, Shehbaz Sharif, welcoming the judgment as a big win for democracy. He vows to ensure that the two motions ordered by the apex court are voted upon. PMLN leader Maryam Nawaz Sharif too lauded the verdict for upholding the constitution and confirmed that the joint opposition was seeing Shehbaz Sharif as their leader. She said in a tweet, "Congratulations to the nation on the supremacy of the constitution. The work of the violators of the constitution is done forever. May Allah keep Pakistan shining brightly. Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif, God willing." But even as the opposition praised the country's judgment, the PTI chief Imran Khan remains defiant. The Pakistan Prime Minister has called for the session of the freshly restored cabinet today at 3 p.m. local time, and the parliamentary party meeting is likely to be held at 4 p.m. In a tweet, Imran Khan said that he will continue to fight to the last ball, adding that after the meeting, he will be addressing the nation today evening. So the Pakistan Supreme Court has finally taken the much-awaited decision. The 5-judge Supreme Court bench has given a unanimous verdict overruling the Deputy Speaker's April 3rd ruling that rejected the no-confidence motion against Imran Khan and also the President's ruling on dissolution of the assemblies. And for more on this, our Pakistan Bureau Chief Anas Malik joins us live from Islamabad. Anas, let's start by talking about what has transpired so far. Can you please bring us up to speed?
Well, a historic verdict that came in yesterday, and after that the Pakistani Prime Minister Imran Khan met his court team following the reinstatation of his government, and today he's done three things. He's called a session of the federal cabinet. After 5 weeks, a proper session of the federal cabinet is to be held. That's number one. Number two is that the parliamentary committee of the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf, they have been called as well. And number three, that he will be addressing the nation again tonight, sometime between 7 p.m. and 8 p.m. Pakistan time. That would be after iftar. So we're expecting these three things to happen. As I talk to you, the Election Commission of Pakistan has also summoned a meeting of their own in the purview of the current political situation. Right. Remember, the Election Commission had maintained yesterday before the court that it needs at least 4 months for delimitation to get done with the delimitation of constituencies, and then another 90 days to hold the elections.
Right. Right. In fact, Anas, I was just going to come to that. There are a lot of events planned for today as well. What can we expect on that front, and what is going to be Imran Khan's strategy going forward?
Well, his strategy is currently unpredictable because he's been going on and about that they've got one plan A and plan B and plan C. Unclear what those plans are. But one thing that one can say about his strategy is that, about his options, is that they're very limited. He has one of the three. He puts his resignation and does not face a no-trust move. He puts an en masse resignation of his 100+ lawmakers and creates another crisis at hand. Or number three is that he goes on to face the no-confidence motion tomorrow. The chances of him facing the no-confidence motion are very, very lesser. So therefore, in all likelihood, there are speculations here in the Pakistani media that he can possibly resign. But, and it's a big but, because Imran Khan has tweeted last night that he will quote unquote fight till the last ball.
Right. Right, Anas. Thank you so much for joining us with all your inputs on this. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.